Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a full review of this Casa iron pie maker, also known as a hobo pie maker, and these are a must-have for camping. So you're going to get two of these, and these are cast iron, heavy duty, flip open here, and I'll go through quite a few important features as well. And you're going to get two of the holder/sticks. So I'm going to open these up and show you how to put them together. And I will tell you that these are a replacement for the last ones that I had that weren't this style. And unfortunately, they fell apart, and I'll tell you why. It's because they had the collapsible antenna-like extendable handles, and if you're looking at those, I don't recommend them. And the reason for that, the intense heat when these are in the fire causes problems with those. So you definitely want to go with these here. And what I like about these is if you have just coals, small fire, you can just use this here. Otherwise, you can put on the extension, which with a normal, good hot fire, you're gonna want the extensions. And those simply go on there like this, and then you're going to put the other one right in here. One will go in the top and the other will go in the bottom as well. So I'll show you how this works. I won't put them both together because I'm sure you'll get the idea, but I will definitely put together the one here. So I'll move this one to the side, and once again you can use the extension or not use the extension. That's completely up to you. And once you have these screwed on and put together, then one will go on the top, one will go on the bottom here. And most people just leave these probably all put together. I think I probably will do that just to save time. If you need space, however, you can definitely take them apart. And one little pro tip, it doesn't hurt to use a little vegetable oil or even a little WD in here to kind of seed them to get them going the first time. And then once you have these all the way in, then you are ready to go. Now, these are cast iron, so they're going to want to be seasoned. And what does season mean? It basically means that you're going to take this surface here and use some type of cooking oil or vegetable oil and put them on both surfaces pretty heavy, and then put this together here and then cook it with nothing in it over the fire the first time. That's going to do what's called season it. And one thing that I really like about these is this little S-hook right here allows you to go and hook these together. So now it's tight and it's not going to just fall open for you. So you can put it in and flip it over without a problem. Now I'll tell you, you can look online and you will find so many different recipes for hobo pies. I've made pizzas, grilled cheese, turkey and cheese, s'mores, apple pies, all different sorts of things with these, and literally you're only limited by your imagination. But once again, these are heavy duty, and I really like the fact that they're good and solid. I like the fact that they have the extension if you're going to need it, and also this locking lever here, so that way it's not going to fall open in the fire. And other than that, I am ready to put this to use once I season it, and I'm pretty happy with these. They're definitely heavy duty.